Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll learn how to add a settings section to your shop. A settings section will allow your users to access a certain number of parameters. They can consult a credit page, contact you directly by mail, recommend your app on social media, or clear cache in your app. To add it, let's go to the menu Content and Design, Content, Sections. Click on Add a Section, select Settings, give it a name and add it. All done. I can modify the design directly from this menu. First, the credits. I can activate or deactivate the credit zone in the settings section by clicking on the activation button. If you activate it, you'll need to fill in the text box. I'll add copyright. Voila. Then I enable the parameters contact support and recommend the app. I add my email. All I need to do is set up the design. An option Clear Cache is automatically added to the settings section. It allows your client to empty the cache content of the app and force the download of the entire design of the app at the next launch. Voila, you now know how to add the settings section to your shop. See you soon for another tutorial.